Hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to show you how to open the hood on a 2020 Ford Escape. Hopefully this video should show you how to open the hood and you don't, like me, have a difficulty spending 20 minutes trying to figure out how to open the hood. So pay attention, I will show you how to do that in this video. So there you go, open the driver's door. Hopefully you can see. So Ford decided to make it easier for whoever is opening the hood. So the first thing you want to do, so it has the normal hood latch, so you pull on it, it opens. Now they made it easier so that you don't have to toggle or mess around with the hood trying to get the latch with your finger. So what they did is they add a second, so you pull it twice, 2 times, to get the hook on latch. And then gonna come over here. So in the previous times you will have to put your finger trying to get the hook latch to come off, but they stopped that. Now all you gotta do is lift it up just like that. So hopefully you find this video helpful, and now hopefully I was able to help you on how to open the hood on this 2020 Ford Escape.